Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody, and welcome on this Tuesday afternoon to our YouTube live. I wanted to take a few minutes to provide a few updates. So, a lot of you have been asking me questions about Biden's proposed blueprint to make changes to our immigration system, and I wanted to provide a little bit of my take on that, what it is, and give you an opportunity to ask questions about it, because I know a lot of you are heard about it. It came out over the weekend, so I'm here live answering your questions. So it's been a while. So what we're gonna do is we'll go over the blueprint, the information that I have. I'll give you a few updates of things that happened in the past couple of days when it comes to immigration, some of the changes that happened, and offer you an opportunity to ask your questions. As always, I am happy to see you. Let me know where you're from. Hello, Evelyn. Let me see if I can put it here. Hello, Evelyn. Hello, Donna. We have Hama as well. And a lot of my favorite people that I always see you commenting and giving me suggestions. I'm always happy to see you. So let's get right into it. So what I'm going to do is I have a list of things that let me share my screen. So I prepared for you a little list of things that are going to be in this blueprint, and so we're going to go over it, and I'll give you an opportunity to ask questions. And I think it's important to know what's coming, because we're waiting for a lot of these bills to pass, but in the meantime, Biden realizes that unless he's going to start being more proactive, being a little bit more engaged with immigrants right now, nothing is going to move. So what it is, it's the New York Times was able to get a hold of a blueprint. It's a draft. They call this DHS plan to restore trust in our legal immigration system. It's a 47-page blueprint memo that talks about a lot of things. And again, one of the reasons why it's important is because you've seen my videos. This week I'm going to have an update about NVC backlog, information from the State Department and from the NVC. I'm going to be updating you about that. And I think that while we do this, why are we doing this? Because the backlog is 80% in the past 5 years. We've got more than almost a million cases that are waiting. Approval for U visas is backlogged. Citizenship is backlogged. Green cards, adjustment of status is backlogged. So, therefore, Biden, had to come up with this proposal or some sort of a blueprint as to what's coming ahead. So, as I mentioned, 47 pages, long draft blueprint. It's divided into 7 sections, right? The document offers a detailed policy proposals that would help more immigrants move to the United States. What happened under what happened under Trump's administration is that more people actually were leaving and less people were able to come in. This is kind of an incentive to say, hey, we're open to the world. We want more qualified people to be able to come here, and we want to be able to fix our current broken system as well. And so it's going to be a focus on highly skilled workers, refugees, asylum seekers, and regular people that are waiting in line. The part of the changes is that people who are going to be applying online would pay less in fees. And some people are going to be able to apply for waivers as well from the fees, just because so many people were, cast away from that system because they were not able to afford to fix their immigration paperwork. A lot of these changes, I'm going to get back into the chart in a second. A lot of these changes are going to be taking place through executive action, which means that we're now going to need to see a full comprehensive immigration reform while he's trying to make some of these changes. And again, the reason why he's doing it is because we know, and he knows as well, that Congress is slow. Nothing has happened in the Senate yet, and who knows when it's going to happen. So we need something to push the system. We need more activity happening to help people that are waiting for their chance to get legalized. So he'll be able to do a lot of this through executive action. He's not going to need to wait for Congress to address it. So a lot of the things that he's going to be doing are going to be focusing on the backlogs. He's going to be addressing the backlogs because we have a lot of, as I mentioned, citizenship backlogs, green card backlogs. We have asylum. People are waiting for 7 years to get their interviews. This shouldn't happen anymore. So they're going to start fast tracking. They're going to start fast tracking immigration applications by actually waiving interviews, as I reported that before. But also they're going to be doing. They mentioned they're going to be doing virtual interviews through Zoom and other video platforms that like FaceTime. So that's going to come in. It's not happening yet, but it's going to come in. So in addition to the interview waivers we've seen happen, we're going to have some virtual interviews that will take place. He wants to restore opportunities for employees through the H-1B visa system. So either by eliminating the cap or doing something to help people to apply for visas, creating a startup visa for small founders of companies to be able to come here. We don't have that yet, but that's coming. And we already saw some indications through the entrepreneur parole rule. We're going to see maybe even a path for a startup visa coming in. Next on the agenda is regulations for people who are applying for asylum. So currently, the asylum is limited to certain categories. They're going to open it up for people to apply for asylum through domestic violence. So if you were harmed in your country because of certain crimes, you're going to be able to apply for asylum. Currently, it's not possible. So it's going to open the door for more people to apply for asylum and make it easier for refugees to come to the United States. Again, these are great news. Let me know in the comments what you think. And once again, if you are new to our channel, I know a lot of people are watching this right now. If you're new to our channel, you're watching this for the first time, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our live videos. And also, give us a big like. I want to see more of these likes. So YouTube is going to be able to share this video with more people just like you receiving these updates. Let's get back into this document. So more regulations for refugees to be able to come here. Remember that just today, Biden ended the Wait in Mexico program, which is called the Migrant Protocol Protection Program, which essentially forced people to wait for their asylum in Mexico. This is something that has been, Biden canceled this literally today. So, continue is a proposal. In that proposal, there's also a suggestion to get more immigration opportunities for LGBT community, refugees from those countries, people that are fleeing because of their sexual orientation, more opportunities for them to apply for asylum in the United States. Also, the VAWA program, people that are victims of domestic violence are going to have more opportunities to apply. And finally, people that are helping law enforcement, U visa, are going to be expanded to more visas. Currently, we only have 10,000. They're going to add more and make it more easy for people that are helping law enforcement to gain legal status in the United States. So lots of, these are the kind of the highlights of this blueprint. And I think, guys, we're going to start seeing that come up in the next a few months. You're going to see a lot of these little proposals, just like happened today. The MPP program ended today. No more people waiting outside of the country for asylum in Mexico. It was paused in January, but today it's gone. So he can do more of these things. How can we ensure that this is going to be is going to stay and not go away? Well, it's going to require more cooperation from both parties. It's going to require more people that are currently in the States trying to apply for these benefits to be vocal about it. Reaching to your representative, supporting these programs. More and more people need this assistance right now. We need to see change. So again, a lot of you are asking me what's happening with immigration reform. When is amnesty going to happen? Well, it's not going to happen in one shot, as you can see. And that's the reason why Biden introduced this blueprint, because nothing is happening in the Senate. Nothing is happening. Congress is not able to do anything right now. So that's why it's kind of like almost a glimpse of hope. We have, again, document 47 pages, 7 categories. Is going to tackle everything: family immigration, employment immigration, startup visas, asylum, U visas, and all different things. Backlog. It's going to attack the backlog of visas and stop people from waiting a year or 2 years to be able to immigrate their immediate family members. So all these things are positive things. And of course, as soon as something happens, I'll let you know. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll take a few questions. But once again, if you guys need help with your individual case, this is where I'm here. You can use the text number right here, the upper right of the screen, 619-483-4549. Feel free to text me and ask for help. I'm here for you. This is what I do every single day. Let me take a question from Ajit. My 45 is pending for 15 months. Current is going through. So again, that's the reason why we need these changes. There's no reason why adjustment of status application should be pending for so long, more than a year. Again, you're gonna see in the next couple of months, you're gonna see that USCIS is gonna work on expediting things. You're gonna see that a lot of these forms. He talked, one thing that I forgot to mention, he's going to revise a lot of these forms. Some of these forms are so long, so tedious, and creating unjustified delays. All this is going to be gone and improved. Let's see who else is on here and other questions. Hey, Jonathan, appreciate it. Robert, give us updates about the U.S. Embassy opening in Manila. Once again, 2 new videos are coming this week. One is on Wednesday, another one on Friday. U.S. Embassy's reopening update. Make sure you don't miss those videos. Currently, Manila is not open yet for the public. It's open only for special cases and expedited cases, and they are being sued right now. But remember, this week I have 2 more videos coming out, so make sure you don't miss any of our videos. Let me take a few more questions, and we'll end this live stream. Once again, if those of you that are joining right now, this was about Biden's blueprint, a new proposal to revamp our immigration system in the next few months. Team, I have an approved asylum. My girlfriend is in the Philippines. How can we get married and be here together? So, if you're here on an asylum and she's in the Philippines, you cannot really marry her until you get your asylum, and then you'll be able to help her once you get your status. You can't do it before because she's not here with you, unfortunately. Lena, I'm stuck in Russia, left on volunteer departure, and had a baby. Lena, you left as a volunteer departure. You are able to come back depending if you have a family member or somebody who can sponsor you. As long as you left on volunteer departure, you're good to go. Again, please post your comments. Please post your questions in the comments. I promise I'll go back after this video is going to go live and answer all your questions. Once again, there's a quick live. Just wanted to give you an update about the Biden's proposal to rebuild and expand legal immigration. This is a 47 blueprint proposal to change almost every aspect of our immigration system, and I look forward to provide you more updates as soon as we have more information about this. Again, this just came up over the weekend. I have a lot of questions from you guys about this, and I just want to come out here and share this document with you, break it down into a more clear and understandable way for you to digest it. It's DHS plan to restore trust in our legal immigration system. And again, this is to fight the backlog, 80% increase. More than 1 million cases are pending. And this is their way to say, Biden says, listen, I'm going to help. I'm going to make this, I'm going to provide a solution, and I'm here for you guys. So this is what it is. So once again, thanks for watching. I appreciate all of you guys. I appreciate Lena and Ahmed and Giselle and Larissa and Sean and Helder. All of you guys are watching our videos, are giving us comments, sharing our broadcasts. I appreciate all of you. You have no idea. Once again, Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to give us a big like. And if you need my help, right here, 619-483-4549. I'll see you guys in the next video. A few more videos are coming up this week. Make sure you don't miss any of them. All right, thanks a lot.